Lost in space? Just follow the arrows. Celestron StarSense 150 AZ. Your phone's now a space wizard. Ever stood under a starlit sky, pointing wildly like, is that Saturn? Or a plane? Welcome to the frustration zone. You've got curiosity but no clue, apps that lag, scopes that confuse, and skies that overwhelm. Stargazing should be awe-inspiring, not an unpaid internship in astronomy. You're tired of being stuck in the dark, literally and metaphorically, with telescopes that promise galaxies but deliver only blurry dots and disappointment. You crave answers from the universe but end up Googling constellations while your scope just sits there judging you. It's time to ditch the guesswork and reclaim your cosmic curiosity. Let's be real, stargazing shouldn't require a PhD in astrophysics or the patience of a monk. You want to see Jupiter, not jam your forehead into confusing manuals and tripod screws. Every failed attempt drains your excitement and dumps it into a black hole of effort. That tiny moment of hope when you think you've found Mars? Crushed, once again, by a misaligned finder scope. The old-school telescopes were built for the Wright brothers era, not TikTok astronauts like you. It's 2025, why are you still using a telescope that doesn't talk to your phone? Boom! Enter the Celestron StarSense Explorer 150 AZ, the telescope that said hold my moon rock and let your smartphone steer the stars. No joke, just dock your phone, open the StarSense app, and follow those hypnotic on-screen arrows. Unlike wannabe apps using shaky gyroscopes, this beast uses patented sky recognition with satellite-level precision. It's got a lost-in-space algorithm, LISA, so smart it could run a NASA mission. In minutes, you'll be staring at Saturn's rings or diving into the Andromeda Galaxy like a pro. No more guessing, just green bullseyes, star clusters, and sweet celestial satisfaction. This isn't just a telescope. It's your passport to space tourism. That 150mm Newtonian reflector? Ultra bright. The tabletop Dobsonian base? Smooth like butter and perfect for kids or caffeine-shaky adults. Want to see Jupiter's storms or the Orion Nebula in 4K clarity? Done. Bonus, it's super portable, so stargazing sessions at campsites, rooftops, or your nosy neighbor's backyard are now a cosmic event. With a red dot finder, two eyepieces, 10mm and 25mm, and a slick phone dock, this all-in-one bundle means zero hassle and all the space-time glory you deserve. So what's the holdup, astronaut? The universe is literally waiting on you. Don't let your inner Galileo sit idle while Saturn photobombs your backyard. Whether you're 9 or 90, this stargazing sidekick makes the cosmos your playground. The skies are clear, the app is glowing, and that green bullseye is calling your name. Click that buy now before Mars moves on. Because in this galaxy, only two types of people exist, those who explore and those who scroll. Be the explorer.